What's going on, Insomniacs? Midnight Sun 518 here, and we have another, I guess, just small upgrade for the speed. We are going to be upgrading my tail lights. Sorry, not tail lights. We already did that. I'm going to be upgrading the turn signals in the rear. If you guys missed the front turn signal video, definitely go check that one out because those are awesome. The new ones, they're LED and they have a built-in resistor so you don't get hyperflash. They are incredibly bright. Maybe a little too bright, but they work great. And they're switchbacks too, so I get the white marker light instead of the amber that came with the original headlight. Anyways, we have these from Oxilam, however you pronounce that. They're an amber LED chip. They're honestly, I don't know. We'll see how bright they are, but they look great. They look very solidly constructed. So I'm pull it out and swap them out. So it is quite easy to get into where your turn signal bulb is. On the driver's side, you go ahead and twist that little thing, pull that out. I've got a first aid kit in here. Not all of you are going to. And it's going to be the furthest bulb, as you saw from the blinking of the turn signal. So just kind of feel around in there for the furthest bulb. It should have a little tab on the plug closest to you, so you can pinch that tab and pull, and then you're going to twist counterclockwise and pull the bulb right out. And so this is where that little tab is going to be popped into, so the bulb will be resting in just like that. And then we'll go ahead, pull out the old bulb, and then we'll insert the new one. Now I'll do a quick side-by-side comparison. The new one is a bit longer because it does have that fan on the end, but it's got 4 LED chips in it, and they all should be amber. Now this one should indeed come with that built-in resistor as well to prevent hyperflash, but we will see. You can't really see too well, but there's that new bulb sitting in there, so there's plenty of space. Wow, that bulb is bright. And as you can tell, it is very much not hyper flashing. Awesome. So after we've done the left side, we'll go ahead and get the right side pulled out by pinching down on there. Once again, reach into that furthest bulb. The little pinch point should be closest to you on the plug. So pinch and undo, turn counterclockwise. That'll pull the bulb out. Go ahead and pull out and swap for the new one. Make sure that you do not touch the LEDs in there. Never touch the LEDs because that will break them and they will not work because you get your finger oils all over them. So now, to match the stupid bright front turn signals, we have stupid bright rear turn signals. Oh, that's incredible. Well, that's the install. There's not much to it. I wanted to put out a little video on kind of each of the bulbs that I'm installing in my car. I did just buy them right off of Amazon. They're not the cheapest bulb that you can find on Amazon, but they're definitely not the most expensive. So I picked one that had a pretty high lumen value. This one doesn't say on the box, and I don't remember what it is. So I wanted them to be brighter, and I wanted them to be LED because the instant on, instant off kind of thing, less power draw in the car. Not that that really matters, honestly, because it's built to have a halogen bulb, but the tail lights on this car are just so dang dim. They're not very bright, which is really unfortunate when you're driving around and people need to be able to see you. At night, obviously not a big deal because it's dark, but during the day, you really need to have some bright lights so that people can tell your intentions of doing things on the road. So anyways, hope you have enjoyed. If you have, drop a like and a subscribe. I'll throw a link down in the description for those bulbs specifically. They had a whole crap ton of different bulbs from that company. Anyways, with that, see you next time. Midnight Sun out.